Now let us talk about stroke. Just as we have heart attack, we also have brain attack, and that brain attack is called stroke. And what is stroke? Now, normally blood flow into the brain right through the blood vessels. Now, when the vessel is getting older, right, and is being blocked, especially the plaques that have been collected for years, they begin to get bigger and larger, and as they do so, they block the flow of blood to the brain progressively. And finally, when they eventually block the flow of blood through what they call thrombus, right, then it will stop the flow of blood. Now, the part that is affected in the brain, right, will die, right, and when it dies, the parts of the organ that are connected to that part will be affected. And when they are affected, if it is a part that leads to the walking or the movement, when it is stopped, it could lead to what they call paralysis. If it is the one that has to do with the eyes, it could lead to blindness. And if it is the one that is so vital that one might not be able to live for a long time, that will lead to death. So there are three things that we need to know when it comes to stroke. The first one is blockage. The second one is for the blood vessel to wither. And the third one is what they call also the withering of the blood vessel. And when all this takes place, it will affect the person and it will result into stroke.